Oh, okay, come on, Cam. Okay, so are you ready? Get your controller. What? Why did you drop your controller?
I was going fishing.
Okay, so Cam.
Luigi or Mario?
Yeah, Cam, time to get another star that will take 20 minutes to get. because we did a 20-minute episode and we only got 1 star. Oh, Kim, now you just slide down the mountain. Kim, then you don't know how to swim. Get out of the water. No.
I'm gonna go crazy.
No.
I'm gonna go crazy.
Come back. No, come back, Kim.
No,
Then.
I don't do it. Oh, we're having fun. We're having fun.
We've been only recording for a minute and you're already laughing.
Yeah.
No, we're recording a video. I only live stream on the weekends. Okay, so come on, Camden, into the castle, come on. Up the mountain, up, no, Kim,
Okay.
no, Kim, that way, yes, good job, no, Camden, Kim, stop sliding, get up here, come on, Kim, don't jump off the bridge.
Look at me. Oh, no. Oh, look.
Wait. Yeah, Uncle Chico. Yeah, Kim jumped off the bridge. Team attack awful. Wait, I can turn on team attack. How do I do that? I want to know how I turn on team attack.
I want Star to open this door. I want Star to open this door.
I'm gonna beat you up.
I'm
Okay.
gonna open. Press X.
You should send that link to your mom of the video.
Come on, Kim, into the door.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay, so this time, Kim, then don't jump off like last episode.
Okay.
Don't jump off.
I'm gonna go crazy.
Well, accept it.
You guys gotta keep it down,
Okay.
okay?
Kim, no, over. You jumped off the mountain. I can't restart.
Let's try. Okay, let's go now. Okay, wait for me, Mario.
Into the door, Kim. No. This is a problem. I'm coming, Kim. So can we have to beat up the boost?
Where's the boost at?
Oh wait, no. All the boosts died. L is real. 2041.
Let's go on Star.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm like a baby. I'm like a baby. And will you be the dad? I will be the baby.
Oh yeah, you check.
Or the baby.
Oh yeah.
Well, we played Mario with baby dad. We played.
No. Okay, let's actually do something.
Let's try and go do. Nothing.
Oh no, Kim. No, Kim, you need a key. We don't have the key yet.
I see right here. Where am I?
Kim, Evan, come over here. Come through the door. Come through the door. It's right there. It's right there. Into the
I
top.
can't see it.
It's right here. Into the door.
Laugh.
I'm going first. I will wait for you till you go in.
You guys are laughing.
Are you kidding me?
Alright, your dad comes down here and starts whooping somebody. I do not want to be.
I died. Look at those faces.
All around me are familiar faces. Okay, so this is Pete Plays. Camden isn't here anymore. I'm sorry, Camden, you're fired.
Where am I?
You're fired.
No, I'm not.
I'm fired. I fired myself.
Let's try that again. I'm gonna go on my booty up. I'm gonna go on my booty.
To the
I'm gonna go
door.
on my
Into the
booty.
door on the floor.
I'm gonna go on my. I'm gonna jump off the edge and then
I want to kick one of you guys off the computer.
jump off the
Yeah.
edge and jump. Oh no!
I'm gonna kick you off the computer if you don't be quiet.
To the door. To the door. Okay. Bye bye. Kim, don't jump off the edge. Don't.
Oh, go in here. Go in here,
No.
or I will leave you.
Oh, we see you.
Teleport us. Teleport us. Teleport us.
Okay. Oh.
How did you jump higher? Just flip. I'm gonna leave you.
But.
I'm the only one.
And don't jump.
Where's that floating? Oh yeah, I'm gonna break this.
No.
I'm not. Wow, I want the coins. Wow. Coins. I'm looking at butterflies.
Okay, so Cam, so don't jump off.
I'm just staying right here.
Okay, let's actually do that level.
Yeah, let's do it.
We've been already recording for 8 minutes and have no progress. That's really sad.
Oh.
Okay, so come on, Cam, up here,
Go
up
in
here.
here, or I will leave you. Come. I'll jump on your head. I want to jump on your head. Stay there. I want to jump on your head.
Okay.
Wait for
Come
me.
here, Cam.
Oh, stop jumping like me. Oh, I'm trying to jump on I'm trying to jump on your head. Let's try it again. I want to jump on your head. Go upstairs. I'm not gonna go in. Oh no, I'm gonna go in that door. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, I just pushed you off. Okay. Oh. Goodbye.
Okay, so first, Camden, I'm
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna talk. Can we talk to the bomb?
Camden, why did you say yes? Okay, come on. Kim, go as fast as you can. Come on, we have to race him. Go as fast as you can.
Okay, wait for me. Ah!
I'm sorry.
Help!
I have to leave you.
Okay, can we try that again?
Oh my gosh. Kim, what did you do?
What am I doing?
Jeez.
I didn't do something like that.
Kim, then just die.
Okay. Let's try that again. Let me write this song.
Kim, die.
Okay, come on, son. No!
It's... no. Oh.
Okay, let's talk to this whip. Got son again.
Oh, shoot. No. It's good. It's good. Got it.
Hey, also I'm gonna do that first. Where am I? I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, you can die. Let's use sun again. Okay. Hey, I just see. Okay. Oh, I got it first. Okay. I'm gonna go on. One second. Move. Wow, this is mine. Can I fly? Wow, we can jump fly. Okay, how did I get this star? This this is cool. This is cool. Yes, this is cool. This is cool. I'm peed.
Okay, we're done.
But I'm just but again. There it is. The butt.
Kim, don't drop that. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come, just talk to the ball.
No, wait for me. You go to cannon first and then me. That'll be a good idea. No, let's both be in the cannon. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at that bubble.
Kim, there's another cannon up here. Get in the cannon.
Okay, wait. Boom.
Oh, that's
Hey,
a-
we can go up here. Wait for me.
Okay, Kim, there's another cannon. Get in the cannon,
Let
cannon.
it go up here.
Wait, Kim.
No, okay.
In the cannon.
Wait. Let it go in there. Okay. Get out.
Into the cannon. Just get in the cannon. Oh my god. Can you get it?
Press
Can you get
X.
Press it.
Press X. Boom. I can't boom. Why you can't boom?
Press X.
I really am, but I can't. It's not working. I think I'm frozen. I'm frozen.
Oh my gosh.
Let's try that again. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh no! I'm going sun.
We're not going back in the sun.
Look at I'm doing. Are you kidding
Okay,
me?
so come on, Kim. Let's find the red coins. Find coins that are red, Kim. Okay, so you see that coin? No, no, no. Go. Okay, so come on, Kim. Let's get that red coin.
Oh no!
And Kim, then-
I'm going crazy.
Kim, get up here. Get up here.
Why
Get
can't
up
I
here.
get up this? I can't get
Come on.
up this.
Up there. Up there. Come on. Up.
Can you help me? Jump over. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh no. I'm not gonna do that guy. I'm running
Kim, come
away
over here.
for-
Come on.
But I want to wait for that guy because he's scary.
But Kim, you have to come over here. We have to beat him up. You have to help me.
Okay.
Come help me.
I need to get my weapons.
Okay.
My weapons.
Okay.
My weapons.
Okay, so help me distract them. Help me distract them.
Hoo-yah! I gotta choose.
Well, Kim, you literally killed yourself for me.
Can you help me? Because I'm bound to die.
I'm sorry, Kim, then there's nothing we can do. You just have to die.
I'm pooping. I'm pooping. I'm pooping. I'm pooping. I'm pooping on the ground. I'm pooping on the ground. Are you dead?
Why are we doing this?
Grandson.
Why are we doing this?
I always go to.
You know what? Hold on, Kim. Hold on. Let's go try something.
Else. I'm gonna go on there.
Let's try the save file. Okay, come on, Kim.
Okay. Okay.
Kim, why aren't you moving?
I can't move.
Over here. Over here. Come on.
I can't. I'm too slow. I can't. I'm too booty.
In the last episode, you said that you're faster.
Goodbye.
Kim, let's go unlock this level. Come on.
Can I talk to the toad? Can I talk to the toad? Arrow, can I play my controller?
No, Kim, you have to play. Come on, let's do this.
Okay.
No, Kim, over here. No. Oh, come on. Dang it. Oh, okay. Shoot.
We both die. Let's try that again. Boom.
We failed.
Okay, was is that question?
Yes.
Okay. Press X.
Sam, go. Okay. Kim, look at the slide over here. Look at the slide. Oh my gosh. Do I need to punch you? Do I need to punch you? Get over here. Get over here. Come on.
Okay, I'm waiting. Oh no, I don't want to punch that. Something.
Kim, don't fall. Don't fall.
Oh,
Be
I
careful. Be
didn't-
careful. Be careful. Okay.
Okay, step on the bridge so I don't fall. No. Okay.
Oh no. Okay. What?
What did?
Okay, Kim, let's go try this again. Kim, let's go get the baby pig. Kim, did you just seriously die?
I did die when it whacked.
Kim, where's the controller?
Here.
Good.
And what are you doing? Mario, what are you doing? Doing stuff.
Kim, stop changing the camera.
Okay. I think you gonna fall off and not gonna do it.
Never give up.
What?
Yay!
Good job, Mario.
Kim, turn your camera. Turn your camera.
There you go.
Find different perspectives. Okay. Goodness.
Die. Let's both
Let
die.
it die. Let it die.
Let it go. 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 Let it go.
Okay, Kim. So jump off. Jump off.
Okay. Oh, I'm oh. Oh.
Kim, no. How could you?
You have to die. Go down. Die. Okay, let's don't go in again because I did. Let's go to the other way.
Okay, let's go over there.
Why am I'm stuck. Can you help me because I'm stuck?
No, sorry, I don't know how.
Hello? Oh no! Where's
Oh
the
my
door? Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Where's the door?
I'm going. Well,
I'm going to the library. I'm going to the
over
library.
here, Cam. Over here. Come on. Okay, so Cam, so do you know how to swim? It's okay, little child. I'll save you from drowning. I'm coming. I'm coming to save you.
Help!
Feed me.
I'm a baby. Oh no! A bomb cannon! Let's get it! Let's get that! A bomb cannon! Let's get that bomb cannon. Can we get that bomb cannon?
We have to find the bomb first.
Okay.
It's okay, little child. I'm coming to save you. I'm coming to save you. I'm coming to save you.
Help, I'm going. What am I doing with the butterflies?
Butterflies.
Help me!
Kim, then hold X, hold X, hold X, hold it. Let's kiss. Kim, over here, come on. Over here. Let's go.
Looking down. Oh, I'm down.
Oh, Kim, then you're drowning. Hurry up.
Help! I'm about to die.
It's okay, little child.
Help!
Swim upwards, swim up. Up. Press up.
Where's up?
Do this.
This is up?
Yes. You successfully saved yourself. Oh my gosh.
What's up? Okay, jump. Jump!
Kim, then swim upwards, swim.
I-
You can do this, you
But
can
I'm
do this.
not moving.
You can do this. I'm gonna hug you.
Okay.
Who needs a hug? I'm here.
Me.
Yes. Oh.
Good. Dig down.
Let's go down, Kim. Let's go down. Let's end the episode with us dying.
Go down. Okay. There you go. Okay. Try it again. Because I messed up. Okay, let's try it again. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. It had a fun time. Come over here.
I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you.
Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Sub to this channel and my main channel. Yeah. And then now I'm about to drown, so goodbye everyone.
No! I can't do this. Why you do this to me? Get those
Kim, say bye, audience.
Why no one eat it?